tingin mo ba misogynist ako?
Oh my gosh. Bakit ganito yung mga contestants?
Hindi mo na kailangan yung karir mo.
Honestly, I love my career so much. So I'm not gonna let go of my career. So, I've been
Saan yung
trying
toothpick?
to... Would you like me to pop it myself?
Sige, ikaw na.
Okay.
O bakit mo pinapop sa kanya yung karir niya?
Eh wala eh. Mas importante sa kanya yung karir niya eh.
So you're expecting the girl to give up her career at some point, parang ganun.
Kung halimbawa, ang dami ko ng pera eh. Para saan pa yung trabaho niya?
I've worked hard for building myself, building a name for myself in the industry. So,
The
it's not
queen.
easy for someone to let it go.
Kasi kung ganun yung lalaki, talagang i-encourage ka niya, ituloy mo yung karir mo. Kasi ikaw ang magpapakain sa akin.
No, what I want is we're both equals. We're both making income.
Naniniwala ka ba na equal ang mundo?
It should be.
Pero, realistically speaking,
It's not because men are the ones that dominate the world.
so hindi ka okay na lalaki ang nagdo-dominate ng mundo.
No.
Sino harap pag halimbawa, yung mga gera nangyayari, lalaki ang gumagawa niya, di ba?
Natawa na rin si Maria Dador!
Okay, one last comment, and then we're moving on.
I don't want to comment anymore because it doesn't make sense. I guess I